Hey, Chris here from Swift Galleries, and in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to get Musea's products into your Swift Galleries account. It's super simple. All right, so you're going to come over here to Manage, and you're going to click on Wall Products. From here, we want to click on Add Product and load from Swift Galleries. We have all of their products updated as of September of 2022. So all you have to do is now we have this list of everything that you can import straight into Swift Galleries. You're just going to come in here and type in Musea. And now we have every single product that they offer. Now, a couple of things that are a little bit unique about Musea is that they basically don't charge any difference between their different frame styles and all of that. The thing that really changes their price is the type of acrylic. So you'll notice that for every one of these products, we actually have two different versions of it. So we have the UV acrylic, and we have the museum acrylic. So make sure that you pay attention to that when you're importing those into your account, and make sure that you're choosing the one that's going to match the pricing that you want to offer. A couple of other things here. When you add their canvases, if you're doing any of their framed canvases, you'll notice that those come up as framed products because they are framed canvases, but we've already accounted for anything that's going to wrap around the edge so that you're still showing the right stuff on the face of the image when you're designing inside Swift Galleries. So the frame files have all been added to these already, as you can see here. So these will all show up with those accurate frame images inside the designer. So that's it. Just go ahead and select which ones you want. Oh, one last thing. You'll notice we have 210 matches for Musea's products. So please don't go in and add every single one, right? The way that you really want to do this is, and I'm saying that for your sanity and for your client's sanity. The way you want to do this is go through the products that they offer and find the ones that really speak to you, the ones that really fit your brand and your style, and then only choose those. You really shouldn't have more than like 4 or 5 different styles and options, because at that point, it's just too much for a client to have to wade through. It's too many decisions for them to have to make. So I want to encourage you, please choose just a few of these and import those. This is absolutely one of these just because you can doesn't mean you should situations. Just because you can go in and select all 210 definitely doesn't mean you should. All right. So that is how to import Musea's products into your Swift Galleries account.